Kasamang Heart World, ang loyal fans ni Heart Evangelista, sinimulan na ng aktres ang kanyang movement laban sa online bashing and cyberbullying. Love Marie Escudero, anong ganap? Bumuwas ang suporta ng kanyang mga tagahanga, lalo pat panay positivity ang binahagi ni Heart sa kanila.
We decided to come up with this because, of course, to give appreciation, to say thank you, and to set an example that actually we can be friends, diba? And it's happier like that.
It's a movement para hindi lang sa mga fans ko, sa lahat ng mga fans out there, how parang we should be on top of everything and how we should set an example by, even if it's hard, at the end of the day, kahit minsan bumibigay tayo, we should always try to stay positive. This was a movement that we wanted to start as a part 1. There'll be a part 2, part 3, and hopefully more and more of me gathering people and actually spreading the word that we shouldn't bash people, that we should be friends, we should be Insta-friends, and that social media should be used in a good way.
Lalo pa talaga napamahal kay Heart ang kanyang mga loyal fans.
Kaya natin to. Let's make this movement. Not just because you guys like me or idolize me, but as friends, as people that are active on Instagram, on social media, I think we can make a difference.
Instead of feeling bad about people bashing you, instead of feeling bad that they don't know me or trying to justify yourself, why not get to know them in person? Why not, shake their hand, hug them, so they get the true feel of who you really are. Thank you sa Heart World. Para sila yung nag-asikaso nito. Thank you din sa mga nagbigay ng time. Hopefully with this event, this movement, we can make a little difference on Instagram, on social media. No to cyberbullying, no to bashing, yes to Insta-friends.